Hello, I'm Jeffrey Knudson, my wife Lisa Knudson. We needed driveway renovation and replacement due to an 80-inch tulip poplar coming down and pulling half our driveway up. We did our due diligence and we called 5 different concrete companies. And after reviewing their proposals, some of them saying, if needed, maybe we will add crush and run. We might do this, we might do that. We came on to Driveway Pros and David. And what he said and what in his proposal was listed is what the company did. And they did a wonderful job, and we're both very happy. It was timely, it was done with professionalism, and there's nothing more than you can ask for, and it came right in on price. So it wasn't, oh, we gave you a quote for X, but by the way, you need this, that, and the other. And now your bid's twice as high as it was when the first guy came through the door. So I can highly recommend Driveway Pros. If anybody out there is looking to have any concrete work done, call David.